How to write the greatest article ever written. The first step to writing a great article is to write about how to help your reader get what they want and achieve their dreams. The simplest way to start writing a great article is start just jotting down notes, sentences, paragraphs, as things start coming to you. Don't worry about grammar or spelling at this time, just take note. You will be bringing it all together later. Just get started. One way to help you with this simple task is to carry a small recorder with you at all times. When you think of something, just record it and come back to it later and write it down. This is a great idea for those who have busy schedules. Don't worry, if you don't have a recorder, a notepad will do. Write about things that is important to your reader and offer them advice about how to improve their circumstances and how to achieve their dreams. When writing an article, write like you are talking to someone. Your advice has to be helpful, not condemning. Write as though you are talking to them, not at them. How to get your article read. Write a short heading saying something like this: "This information has been a great help to me. I thought it might be interesting to you also." Share with others what has worked for you. Your heart's desire as a writer should be to help others save time, heartache, and money, and reach their goals in the shortest period of time. Make sure your advice is easy to understand and easy to put into action. Don't confuse your readers with a lot of do's and don'ts. This is considered TMI, too much information. Stick with the facts. Talk about your reader, not about you. People want to learn about how to avoid pain and get what they want. The surefire way to get your article read is to define the reader's problem. Now tell them how to solve the problem. This makes reader begin to think and makes your article sticky. I'm only trying to help those who want to become successful writers. Just write from your heart. Reach out to your readers and truly offer information that will help them. Your rewards will come later. You only receive after you have given. You don't receive before you give. Be a problem solver. Think of areas or problems you have had when you tried to do something. Then what did you do that made it a lot easier? Then what was your reward for solving the problem? Keep it simple, just the facts. I guarantee if you practice what I'm revealing to you here in this article, you will in time become one of the most sought-after authors, but it takes time. But you must really want to help your fellow man and don't focus on trying to sell something or sound like you're a salesperson. Articles are not to be written in that manner. Make sure you have read the submission policy before submitting your articles. When writing, just be yourself. A true help to mankind. How to become the super article writer. How to information is very valuable. People want to know how to do something. Just start taking notes as your thoughts start coming to you. Let your feelings flow. I truly believe that everyone has some advice that could help someone. And most people will offer many excuses like, "I don't know where to start," or "I don't know what to say." No, I think the real problem is, they just don't get started. If they would just start, I think they would be amazed at their knowledge and feeling good about themselves because they truly helped someone more on with their life. Or become a better person. Okay, now you have finished writing all your notes. Now it's time to edit your notes and rewrite them as a draft. Delete the garbage and rewrite the strengths of your message. Make your article interesting to read. All this means is to make your article easy to read and understand. Try to keep your paragraphs short. Don't try to crowd too much into one paragraph. And don't be too serious because this becomes boring reading material. Be creative and write a funny sentence every once in a while, but stay focused on offering advice about solving their problems. Write with seeing words. Use words that makes the reader see their situation and see the solution. It's like writing in such a way that the reader sees and feels the message being presented to them. Much like watching a movie. Write with feelings. Believe what you are writing about. Now sharpen your article's appearance. Now that you have rewritten your notes and edited the garbage and rewritten the strengths as a draft. Now it's time to rewrite this draft one more time. That's right, just one more time. But this time either add more to it or subtract even more weak words. This will be your final super article. Remove all the words with no strength or wasted words. Now, read your super article over again. Is there some more weak words, or can you improve it some more by adding to its strengths? Now, once this is done, let your family and friends proofread it and get their feedback. If the feedback is good, start submitting right away. Congratulations! You have just become a great author. Give yourself a pat on the back, you deserve it. I hope this article helped you with your writing career.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.